Hello and welcome to Blantyre Street in Eccles. I'm going to show you around this lovely 2-bedroom property. There's a nice little front garden just there. Now, this property benefits from 2 reception rooms and 2 double bedrooms, which is always handy to have. So there's laminate flooring throughout here as well, downstairs. Take a walk through to the dining room here. You can either use this as a dining room or your main lounge. Now it also has a bit of extra understair storage, which is quite handy for your Hoover bits that you don't want guests to see. Comes into the fitted kitchen here with oven, gas hob, space for your fridge just to my right, along with space for your washing machine. Now the added bonus to this property as well, it has a rear garden. Especially on a day like this, it's always nice to have a garden to pot around in. So let's take a walk upstairs. So it's fully carpeted upstairs here as well. Real nice thick carpets. And I like these little touches of stained glass door panels, which is really, really nice. So this is the main bedroom. And then across the landing here, we have the bathroom. So you have toilet, sink, bath, and there's a shower over the bath as well. And then we'll come into the second bedroom. Again, a really good sized double bedroom. Give you a view from there. Space for your wardrobe to fit in there. So this is available now. Please give us a call on 0161 747 9379, and thanks for watching.